Hi everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for Hipki Club featuring the September 2023 Hip Kits. Today I create a fun mixed media layout with a photo of my nephew on his first day at school. I use the number background stamp, the September 2023 tri-leaf metal die, and I'll use this Vicki Boutin stencil from an older color kit. I start with the mixed media background. I stamp the number background with black ink. I place the stencil on my layout so I can see where I have to stamp. Then I choose ink pads in purple, light blue, yellow and orange that match the colors of the papers and embellishments of the kit and apply the ink with blending brushes. And here you can see the finished background. I choose some chipboard frames and other chipboard die cuts which are included in the September main kit and arrange them on my page together with my photo. For my title, I choose one of the cardstock stickers which are included in the September embellishment kit. Then I pick out some die cuts from the New Day cardstock ephemera pack which is included in the September main kit and add them to my page. I also add some of the New Day mini puffy stickers which are included in the September embellishment kit. Now I cut out leaves using the September 2023 tri-leaf metal die. I cut them from one of the pattern papers which are included in the September Pocket Life kit. I arrange the leaves on my layout and then add more die cuts. hide here everything and then add some more puffy stickers. I finished with some Nuvo drops from my stash. Here you can see my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the video. Thanks so much for joining me.